'Tis the season to be techie. Well, if you're a gadget lover or know someone who is, what about some smart lighting from Philips Hue? Let's start with this. It's the Philips Hue White and Color Ambience Kit. It's kind of like the chameleon of smart lighting. It comes with 3 bulbs and a smart bridge that can actually access other features as you add more lights. And they work like regular bulbs. You just put them into any socket. But when you want atmosphere, you can use the app to dial up some amazing color effects. I've given the kit to friends and family before and they love it. And what's cool is it actually integrates with Amazon Alexa and Google, so you can use your voice to do some amazing routines. So if you got a techie in your life that already has Philips Hue bulbs, you gotta check these out. This is the Philips Hue Go and the Philips Hue Iris. These are portable lights that you can literally put anywhere in your home. I love the Philips Hue Go. I've had one of these for years and I've just got an extra one now. This is great for the holiday season. I've got one under my couch just to get that mood going, and another one near the Christmas tree as well. And of course you can change it into millions of colors through the Philips Hue app. The Philips Hue Iris, this thing is cool. It's like a portable light on steroids. You can actually paint the whole wall in whatever color that you want. Plus, they also work with Google and Amazon Alexa. And if you want to take things to the next level, there's also Spotify integration. And this is cool. You can actually have the lights pulse along with your favorite songs. So you've got started with the Philips Hue starter kit. You've got the bulbs and the Hue Bridge. Taking that up a notch with the Philips Hue Go and Iris to really kind of paint the room in color. What about your entertainment experience, your big screen TV? Well, I've got something for you. This thing is amazing. It's a Philips Hue Play HDMI sync box. So this is something that you plug your TV into and your HDMI sources. So that could be a game console, a smart TV stick or box like an Apple TV, or even your Blu-ray player. And in conjunction with some Philips Hue light strips or light bars, it will basically read the colors that are going to the screen and then paint the walls around it in the colors through the lights. It's an amazing experience and you'll never watch TV the same way ever again. Smart lighting is actually a really cool gift. If you're a techie, you're gonna love it because it is super techie. But if you're not, you're still gonna like it. Having the right lights and lighting in a room just makes all the difference, and especially if you can change the colors. And I just love things like the Spotify integration. It just really enhances the mood. If you want some more information or to even buy some of this gear, you gotta check out the Philips Hue website or go to your favorite retailer like Home Depot or Best Buy. Happy holidays.